B, etc. lane.
Good morning guys, and it's a brand new vlog here at Everyday Vlog. So today I'm going to Batangas City at Lima Technopark to check a coconut company that produces coconut products. And tingnan natin kung paano ba yung operations nila on how they prepare those products. And also we want to show some of their new products as well if makikita natin. So today is still under ECQ, pero dito sa South medyo maluwag naman, but if ever namang masita ako, I have documents to show naman. Okay, so nag-stop over lang ako dito sa may Caltex SLEX to buy something, and now I'm heading to the Technopark, to the Lima Technopark. So ngayon arrival ko is 10:06 daw. So tama naman yung appointment ko kasi 10 a.m. naman yung appointment ko, so I'm still on time. Alright, so let's hit the road and let's go to Batangas. So guys, nandito na ako sa Lima Technopark. Lima Technopark is an industrial slash electronics slash manufacturing, how do you call it, techno hub or parang business center. So nandito lahat ng mga foreign and local companies, and medyo strict yung mga ano nila rito, policies. And now I arrive at the Eau de Coco office, and then I'm just waiting to see also a good friend and a former colleague, si Mau. So yan, makita natin siya. Long time friend to, long time friend. Okay. Bakit? Ito bang Batangas?
Ha?
It's so full.
Inano din kita, oh. In-story din kita. Tinong. Ang pogi-pogi mo. Oh, diba?
So, I'm here now to see kung paano ba nila pine-prepare yung mga coconut products nila. So, I'm with Mau. She's a long-time friend and also a former colleague. So, medyo matagal na yung experience namin with one another. Receiving, kit. So, dito nilalagay yung mga coconut para anong gagawin?
Masok doon sa planta para ito.
Okay.
Kasi ang food industry, kasi certified yung plant na FSSC 22,000, HACCP at GMP na sinertify ng SGS. bacteria. Para yung product, 1 year yung shelf life in ambient temperature. Kahit di mo siya i-rep.
1 year ang shelf life.
Kahit di... liter bag in box and 200 liter drum.
Ano yan?
Coconut water.
Ayan na yun.
Shelf life. Kasi nasa septic bag siya. So pag binuksan mo yung bag,
Wala na.
wala na.
Totoo may laman to.
Oo, may naman yun. Pero usually puno yan.
Oo.
So ito, under seal. Siguro na yung last sa box.
Oo.
Kaya hindi na puno. Videohan mo yung pag-scoop kasi ang galing. Mga skilled workers sila. So sila yung nakakagawa ng half full.
Kaya lang nahihiya naman ako sa kanila. Huwag na. Eh dyan, di ba parang regardless kung anong klase ng meat, kung malambot, matigas, sama-sama.
Hindi. Inaano nila. Sinesegregate nila.
Yun, di ba may yung malauho?
Oo,
na gano'n?
malakanin, malapit.
Oo.
Kami lang yung planta na super hygienic pagdating sa bacteria level ng raw products. Kasi wala kang anakay. Para maging super
Tapos gigilingin pa to, di ba?
ano, waste.
Ay.
Ito yung tinatakot ni ate. Ito naman yung dicing machine. So, minsan yung client, katulad ni Jollibee, gusto na yung dice.
Yung square.
Oo, so yun pa rin. Ito, dahil nakatenga pa siya, dahil si ate pa lang yung prepare.
Kailangan
Yellow, para
yellow.
hindi tuloy-tuloy yung pagdami ng bacteria. Parang this helps para konti lang yung growth ng bacteria.
Okay.
Kapag mo lang ma-freeze yung bacteria. Pero kung marami ka ng bacteria to begin with, bago mo i-freeze, pangit. So ipa-blanch nila bago nila i-freeze. Para konti-konti lang yung
Nabawasan na.
Pasteurized. So dumaan na siya dun sa machine. Tapos chine-check niya yung bricks ng coconut water after dumaan sa machine kasi may effect din yung heating dun sa
Flavor.
level. So, kunwari, mas matamis yung in-extract na yung water. Pagdating dun sa line, nababawasan na yung tamis kasi na-applyan na ng heat.
Basta kasi na-expose na, nababawas. Okay, so I'm here now inside their office and we will just discuss and learn more about their products and how do they operate as a company. So, yun. Hindi ko naman masashare yung information, syempre confidential pa yun. But I'll try as much as possible kung ano yung information na makukuha ko out of it. Okay, so see you later.
15 pala. 15. Balitan na lang natin yung sa loob. Kasi mag-adjust tayo sa artwork eh. And all kapag yung pang nasa das natin.
So guys, tapos na yung meeting ko with them and very exciting yung plans nitong Eau de Coco dahil they will be launching a lot of new products, healthy products made from coconut, and syempre they will be available in supermarkets, grocery stores, and other healthy stores or yung mga stores that sells healthy products. So guys, thank you for watching and have a safe day. Always remember, make every day a special day. Bye!